और यहाँ पे मैंने अपनी गाड़ी पार्क कर दी है। पार्किंग का शुल्क क्या है वो मुझे बाद में पता चलेगा, मैं आपको बता दूंगा। यहाँ पे मैंने अपनी गाड़ी पार्क कर दी है, यहाँ पे मैंने अपनी गाड़ी पार्क कर दी है और मैं जाता हूँ आगे की ओर। क्या है यहाँ देखने के लिए? तो मैं आगे की ओर जाता हूँ। क्या चार्जेस है क्या है मैं बताता हूँ इसका, और पूरा लाइव दिखाऊंगा आपको। बदले आप मेरे साथ। टेरेस राइड स्विंग का। हेलो।
It's using our ID for entrance.
ID?
Yeah, for entrance.
1 second.
That's free.
Okay.
Welcome to Ala Cinematic Station. Would you
You
like
can
to
use
see?
camera in the I am blogger. Okay.
I will explain to you how to make a
One
luwak
second.
coffee.
1 second. तो जनाब ये मोहतरमा है और ये मुझे गाइड करेंगी क्या क्या है। तो मैं देखने के लिए मुझे दिखाने ले जा रही हैं, तो मैं उनके साथ जाता हूँ, कुछ गाइड करेंगे।
They are a family of cats that wild. They normally live in the forest, and we keep some of them for showing. After a few months, we let them free to the forest. This kind of animal, they are vegetarian style. They're eating nuts fruit like papaya, banana, jackfruit, and coffee bean as well. They're eating much coffee bean, but luwak cannot digest of the coffee. They just swallow the whole thing and has fermentation. After 12 hours, it is stomach animal. They will clear it out. So we are searching of the dropping on the ground and then using that to make coffee. And this is the dropping from the animal. First step, we need to dry the dropping at the sun around 5 days, and then washing by hot water until clean. After clean, we remove the skin to get the bean inside. We are doesn't use machine, everything manual way. Then we put separate and wash one more time. Make sure the coffee bean is hygiene from bacteria. And next process, we are roasting. To make it, you can keep more longer the smell and the taste. And the powder can make it instant, but less to keep. We're grinding around 20 minutes. We take now already time to make coffee. We can make instant and we can use filter. And then if you want, we put back and run it. So this is our product. Inside black coffee. We also have a thick flavor and fish water. So the spices and tropical fruit like actually did before, we're using that to make a color of the flavor. And everything that's no mixed with the luwak. Now you can smell it. In between, luwak coffee from animal, Balinese coffee. So if you want to try luwak coffee per cup, you must pay 50,000 just the special luwak coffee. Another testing you can try for free. Do you want to try luwak coffee?
I'm back. Yeah, I'm back.
This is next tour.
Yeah.
This is ending tour.
Okay. So I am back.
Where do you need to go?
And swing.
Oh, you want to do swing?
Yeah.
Okay.